In a question like this, we are told to calculate 7 to the 425th power and express that as just a number, right? Write the whole thing out. What would be the digit in the ones place? We're given a couple of options over here. Well, if you actually tried to punch this into a calculator, it's not going to work. It's just too big. It's enormous. It's got hundreds of digits. So instead, we're going to have to figure out a smart way to do this, and that is by recognizing patterns. Now, what I've written over here is some of the powers of 7, and you could keep going with this, but I want to point your attention to what the ones digit place is for each of these. If you do 7 to the 1, your ones digit is a 7. If you do 7 to the 2, your ones digit is a 9. And that pattern goes 7, 9, 3, 1. And then it repeats. And it's going to keep going 7, 9, 3, 1 forever in that pattern. So the challenge is we just have to figure out, see this? This is the line where it starts repeating. We have to figure out how many of these sets of 4 we're dealing with. So in other words, another way to say that question is, how many sets of 4 fit in 425 as an exponent? Okay, now, if you think about it that way, you'll realize this is just division. So we do 425 divided by 4, and now is where you might break out a calculator for this. You're going to get 106.25. And another way to think about that is 106 with a remainder of 1. Okay? In other words, this set of 4 is going to repeat 106 times. Okay, so you're going to get to the end of this loop somewhere around 724, and then you go just one more. Okay, you're going to go just one more hop to 725, and there's your ones digit right there. So that's how we find the answer to this thing. You just have to figure out how many times your pattern repeats.